954 Ks on the clock. Let's go. We've been driving for 7 hours, so it's time for a little treat.
And look, in Canada they give you gravy with your fries.
It's like a do-it-yourself poutine. You're supposed to be able to hold this upside down. Quarter-past 3 a.m. and we just pulled up to Bismarck, North Dakota, to this really nice rest area. It's really nice and clean.
This is one of the cleanest rest areas we've come to, so thank you, North Dakota.
We drove so much today, but that does mean that we now have time to go and visit my little sister who is studying in Iowa, which previously we didn't think would fit. So that's really nice. We're pretty much the only ones here at this rest area, which is amazing. We pulled up to another rest area on our way to Iowa, and I just wanted to show you guys the tread on these tires. We've put, I don't even know how many thousands of miles on this car, but have a look at this. That is not legal. So we're gonna get them replaced right now.
Thoughts?
Very soft.
Very soft.
Little brioche bun.
Yeah, it's a nice brioche bun.
We're in Dutchtown today. Going to a Dutch butchery, just been to a Dutch bakery.
Yes, you don't need to.
My name is Sara. I am your brother.
Right,
You are my brother. I am your sister.
Your family's gonna love
This is good stuff, man.
I don't
Can
know
you
if it's
introduce
you or
yourself?
my brother. Feels like the funniest thing about these interviews is looking at the people that are not talking.
Yeah.
Just like everyone's like folding their hands and like, what do you do with yourself?
I'm good with
Are
interviews.
you already recording?
What have you? Oh, you've done some press stuff too.
How good am I with interviews?
I haven't seen you doing an interview.
Yes, you must have. I've done so many interviews.
I'm sorry.
Hey mate, I'm from Australia. We ride kangaroos.
Right, amazing.
had a toilet, it would be a
I know, or at least a sink.
Yeah.
You know, at least a sink.
Paparazzi. Alright, Sarah, let's go.
In the corner. Oh my god, no. Can't get on a bus.
Today is another big driving day. We pulled up to this beautiful rest area after I think already like 7 hours of driving. I'm just gonna make a quick coffee. We saw my little sister yesterday, which was amazing. And just have a little look at this rest area. It's really nice. There's picnic benches everywhere. We're kind of catching it at golden hour, so it's beautifully lit. And we've only got like 7 or 8 more hours until Asheville, so I think we've got another like 3 hours ahead of us tonight, and then like 4 or 5 hours tomorrow, so getting there.
Smooth.
So good.
Just wanted to show you guys our hotel for the night. Pretty comfortable. No breakfast included, unfortunately, but she'll be right.
Guess you've made it. How do you feel?
Hello, welcome to my video vlog.
Who are you?
Hello. Hello. No, what's going on here? No, we gotta get it. Hello. I'm Alyssa,
I'm Alex.
and we have Grateful Goats Farm. Here we are today. We're harvesting apples from the apple tree. On the farm, we have bees and chickens and goats and apples and blueberries and all sorts of veggies. Hey puppies! Hey babies! My baby! Ta-da-da! Ta-da-da! My husband Alex. We're with Grateful Goats Farm. These are our baby goats. We have 5 goats here today. They're Nigerian dwarfs. So they get around 50 pounds fully grown. And a little fun fact about goats, they only have bottom teeth. So the top teeth is all gums. They might come around today, nibble on your hair, your clothes. We do have hair ties if you guys want to put your hair up. They won't, chew off your hair, but they do like to nibble on things. So, and they'll be jumping on people's backs. If you guys don't feel comfortable with that, let us know.
Now you can eat it.
So the first process is using someone will use the knife and someone will use the pick to take off all these wax caps, and we'll discard the wax into these bowls to melt down later. Just be careful not to take the propolis off because we can save those for tinctures. Sometimes you can get it just right and glide and get a big clump off.
Spin the honey as fast as we're trying to spin the frames as fast as we can so that the honey flies out of the hexagons, if you can tell at all.
Try not to make a mess, huh?
Last leg of the trip. Here we go.
And look at that funky.
My goodness.
So
It's like retired
this
art.